Why are no two snowflakes exactly alike? Imagine catching a snowflake on your glove and wondering why it looks so different from the one next to it. It turns out, each snowflake is like a tiny, frozen work of art, unique in its own way. Snowflakes form when water vapor in clouds turns directly into ice crystals, a process called deposition. When this happens, each snowflake begins as a tiny hexagonal ice crystal because of how water molecules arrange themselves when they freeze. This six-sided shape is the basic building block for all snowflakes. As the snowflake grows, it travels through different parts of the atmosphere, encountering changing conditions like temperature, humidity, and wind. These factors influence how water vapor deposits onto the crystal, shaping its branches and patterns. Because every snowflake takes a different path through the sky, the conditions it faces are never exactly the same. Small differences in humidity can cause branches to grow longer or shorter, while slight temperature shifts can change how thick or intricate the ice formations become. Sometimes, snowflakes bump into dust particles or other crystals, which can alter their shape even more. While all snowflakes share the same basic hexagonal structure, the countless variations in atmospheric conditions during their formation make it nearly impossible for two to be exactly alike. Scientists estimate that the number of possible snowflake shapes exceeds the number of atoms in the universe. In laboratory settings, researchers can grow snowflakes under very controlled conditions, making them look similar but still not identical at the microscopic level. From the perspective of water science and the water cycle, snowflake formation shows how water vapor transitions from gas directly into solid, creating beautiful and complex patterns. These patterns reflected the ever-changing and dynamic nature of the atmosphere during snowfall. So, the reason no two snowflakes are exactly alike is because each one forms under a unique set of atmospheric conditions that influence its growth from a simple hexagonal crystal into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. This natural variability in the water cycle's precipitation process is what makes each snowflake a tiny, fleeting miracle.